guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah, if you guys did not know already, and today I'm coming to you guys with I guess like a little DIY video. So I was scrolling, wait, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, like the video, comment, all that shit. Love that, love you. But so I was on Twitter, y'all, and I came across this video, and when I saw it, I was like, that is some of the most ghettoish shit I've ever seen, and I fucking need it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be making that. So it's called a hat wig. Now apparently this isn't something new. This has been around, but I've never seen it and I've never had one, and I just feel like things like that, you need that. Like us girls, we don't always want to do our hair. You know what I'm saying? We want to go to the store. You may have your little boo pulling up, you know, for a little car talk or something. I wouldn't recommend going to the back seat with this. But you know, just something quick. You need to just throw something quick to go somewhere, maybe a trip to the beauty supply, to the store. You want to get food with your friends or somebody real quick, but you don't feel like doing your hair. But you know, if you're somebody that's good to throw on a hat, bitch, we could do this. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for you guys today. See, there's not really much to talk about. Let's just go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to show you guys how I did it, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put my hair down, get a stocking cap and stuff. I'm going to put the wig on so you guys can see how it is on. I already made the wig and I've never put it on, so I'm excited to see how it looks. Hopefully it looks realistic. Like, I don't know. I just made it. And I'm really trying to start getting into more hair videos and doing hair. So, yeah. Pray for me with that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's super easy, real easy to follow along with, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so you're gonna need a mannequin head. I got that for $5 at Walmart, and then some hair. This is just some pack hair, y'all. It was $9.99 beauty supply. Get whatever hair you want. This is some Bobby Boss shit though, just if you cared. So I'm gonna put the hat on my mannequin head, of course, inside out. So we're gonna flip that bitch around. Do it like that. Alright, so I already laid the track down just to make sure I knew what I was doing. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure your track, and it's gonna go only halfway. So where you would adjust the hat, you're not gonna put any hair on that because, you know, just in case you need to adjust it to fit your head. So you're just gonna measure halfway from the front of the hat, well, front side of the hat, to where the adjustable strap is. Cut the track, and then take your glue. And at first I put the glue on the track, but that was kind of messy for me, so I felt like it was better to put the glue on the hat and then just lay the track down on top of the glue. But yeah, you're gonna take your hot glue gun. That was a material I forgot to put in the beginning, but you're gonna take your hot glue gun. You're gonna need a hot glue gun. I wouldn't use like hair glue or anything. Not saying hair glue wouldn't work, but I just feel like hot glue would be more sturdy, and like it'll just be better, and it's clear, so you know you don't want any stains or anything. And I feel like it came, and I got some glue on the hat and stuff, and it came off like pretty easily. Hair glue, once you get that shit on fabric, it don't come off. So yeah, use hot glue, you guys. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. So I'm just gonna keep repeating the same step until I get to like the top of where the hat is. I don't really remember where I stopped. As the video goes on, I remember, but I just want to get it as thick as I could. So yeah, you're gonna keep measuring and keep cutting it and doing halfway, and then keep applying the tracks, and that's literally it, you guys. Okay, so we're going to move on to the back of the head. Now, like I said, we're not going to put any type of hair on the adjustable strap. So the part that's curved, I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to just put some glue around that curve, and we're going to measure the tracks. And we're going to lay the tracks around that curve, and we're just going to keep going up and up on the hat until the hair is as thick as you want it. So Yeah, I ended up using the whole pack. So I like how, if you remember in the beginning, it kind of came with two, I don't want to say bundles, but it came with like pretty much two bundles in the pack. So if you want to put that in, like if you're using bundles, just about two bundles will be fine because you're only doing like basically half a head of hair. So yeah, girl. Apply your glue. And then take your track. I already measured it. And you're just going to apply it around the curve, around the hole. And you're just going to keep repeating that same process for the back. And then on the side, repeat the same process. And on the other side, repeat the same process. And then boom. And that's literally it, y'all. This is like my first time ever like making a wig or anything wig like, and I really enjoyed this. Like, it was kind of therapeutic to do. I don't know, I really fucked with it. And I was watching B Love, y'all. I just started watching B Love, like her mukbangs and stuff. I really like her. Like, I don't know, it's something about her voice. Like, she's just really relaxing to me. I don't know, I like her though, and I really want to try that sauce. Like, for real, for real. I really want to try that shit. I got a mukbang coming up that I want to do with this girl. I just got to make the time and everything to work it out to do it. But I'm going to use that sauce when we do that mukbang because that shit look good. Okay, that don't have nothing to do with this, but okay, yeah, I'm just going to be quiet and let the music play. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with the wig. I literally, like I said, repeated the same steps on both sides. Measured halfway, glued, laid the tracks, boom. So right now I'm just pretty much fixing up any like touches that I need to do. Some tracks were a little loose on the end, so just went back and glued those. And that's it, y'all. So there we go. That's my hat wig. Boom, boom, boom. So in the next clip, I'm going to be applying it and stuff like that. But that's it, y'all. And as you can see, it's some, oh shit. As you can see, it's some glue at the front. But I don't know if I kept that part in there, but it's real easy to just take that glue off. Alright, so. Oh, y'all can see my shit. Okay, it's okay. Y'all didn't see a bra before. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try to put my, is that a bobby pin? I did not like losing my bobby pins, hold on. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna try to get my hair as flat as possible. I'm not gonna go through and braid. Well, number one, I don't know how to braid. And number two, I'm not about to do that. So I'm just gonna try to maybe just put my hair back and get my hair as flat as possible to put into my hat wig. So because even though like I have hair, it's not like the thickest hair, so it doesn't take much for my hair to get pretty slick. Not slick, but good enough to put like under a wig and when I do my quick weaves and stuff. So I have like that little ball in the back. Hopefully that don't you know what, no. I'm gonna braid it. Or I'm gonna twist it because I don't know how to braid. And I'm going to just twist it so it can lay flatter. And I'm gonna take a bobby pin and pin it up. Okay, boom. Oh shit. Bobby pin, pinned it up. I didn't bring my stocking cap in here, so let me go get my stocking cap. So, got my stocking cap. Okay, I just got a black one. I don't know if it matters what type of stocking cap I got. I just got a black one. Took my edges. Okay. Boom. So stocking cap on. So if you see to the side, everything is pretty flat, so I'm pretty good with that. And then here's the wig. Oh shit. Here's the wig, you guys. So boom, here it is. Oh my god. Okay. Y'all ready? I'm nervous. Why am I always nervous when I do stuff? Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. Y'all. Y'all, this is nuts. This is actually crazy. Y'all, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Well, bitch, and there you have it. Hat wig on 10. Okay, period. But yeah, y'all, so yeah, here's my hat wig or whatever like that. She's really cute. I will definitely wear this in real life. So if you see me, you know what I'm saying? You gonna know what's up if you see this hat and you see this type of hair. Okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope y'all do this. Like, if y'all recreate this and if y'all do this, please tag me so I know that you got you a hat wig just like me. Okay, period. I'm geeked as fuck. I'm really shook. Like, I want to go somewhere with it on so I could just know that I have on like a hat wig. Like, I want to go somewhere so I could just know that like I had this hoe on and I'm out in public. Like, yo, let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Okay, wait. That is hilarious. Let me know if you're gonna do this. If you do, bitch, please tag me. Send me a picture, something. I need to know. Cause, bitch, this is crazy. I got a little track that's a little loose right here. But yeah. Alright, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.